In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data using QuickBooks, a key skill that will help you manage your financial information more efficiently. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking for a quick refresher, we'll walk through the process step by step to make sure you can accomplish this task with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. To start off, the first step you'll need to take is to go to the QuickBooks homepage. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks online website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. This will take you to your personalized QuickBooks dashboard, which is the hub for all your accounting activities. After you've landed on the home page, you'll want to find your way to the settings. This step is crucial because the settings menu is where you'll be able to adjust various account options, including the export feature we're going to use today. Look for the settings icon, which typically resembles a gear, on the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. With the settings menu open, the next thing to do is click on Export Data. This option can usually be found among other administrative functions. It might be organized under a category such as Tools or Data Management, so keep an eye out for that. Selecting this will lead you to the Export Data section, where you can begin the process of exporting your financial data. Now, once you're on the Export Data page in QuickBooks, you'll see that you have access to all your financial records that you might want to export. Depending on your needs, you can choose the type of data you want to export, be it reports, list data, or all sales data. Choose what best fits your intention for export. This step ensures that you are downloading exactly what you need, without any unnecessary information. Finally, you'll click on the Export button. This is usually found towards the bottom of the Export Data page. Simply clicking Export will initiate the download process. QuickBooks will prepare your data and create a file, typically a CSV format, which is easy to use and compatible with most spreadsheet programs. Make sure to save this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Some people like to save it to their desktop or a dedicated finance folder. And that's it! You've successfully exported your data from QuickBooks. Remember, exporting data can be a key way to back up your records or prepare them for sharing with others, like your accountant or team members. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy bookkeeping!